good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me from. This is Victory Activities TV. I will not forget to say thank you to everyone who have been supporting this channel, to everyone who have made this channel a reality. I want to appreciate you all. I say thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you for supporting this channel. On today's video, I want to talk about respect. This word respect. You know, the word respect is so large that we want people to respect us. I want people to respect me, and I believe you want people to respect you as well. Even little children, they want people to respect them. So respect is what everybody wants. So when we talk about respect, as a married woman, you want people to respect you. As a married man, you want people to respect you. Even as a lady, you want people to respect you. A young man, even young boys, they want people to respect them. Little children, everybody wants respect. So if you find out that nowadays, even children of, let me say 10, 11, when you just talk to them anyhow, they get angry. So everybody wants respect. So I want to focus on a married woman, focus on women at large. So as a woman, you want people to respect you. You put yourself in that place where you want people to respect you. That is first. When you put yourself in a place where people will respect you, definitely they will respect you. When you put yourself in a place where people can disrespect you, they will disrespect you. For example, the way we talk can make people to disrespect us, can make people to look at us. Oh, what is this person saying? I beg, let her go. You know, the way we talk, irrespective of our age, it's not by age that people talk well. Irrespective of our age, we should talk maturely that will make people to respect us. And another thing that will make people to disrespect us is when we look at people as if they have low esteem. Oh, I am educated. I don't want this. They are not my level. My level don't high. This is my level. This is not my level. Those things will make people to disrespect you. Irrespective of your level, irrespective of whom you are, how educative you are, or whatever you think you have achieved. But when you respect people, they will respect you. But when you look down on people, you look them as if they are not your, they are not my level. I beg, I know they this one, not, I beg you. In that way, no, people will not respect you. So if we don't force respect, we earn respect. You don't force people, like some women, you say, ah, you didn't see me, did you greet me? What kind of shit is that? You don't do that. Even if you are matured, if you do things where people will respect you, and even people seeing you alone, they will know that this person is mature. They will respect you. So you don't force people to respect you. Oh, you not see me? Why didn't you greet me? Yeah, this one will just pass me. He will not greet me. Ah, we're in a Western world, for Christ's sake. When you see people, even the whites, when anywhere you're walking, even your boss, when they come, you see them, ah, good morning. You tell them good morning in return. They don't even wait for you to greet them first as your boss. They don't even see good morning as a big deal. You understand? But what they just do is good morning in return. So it baffles me when I see some women, a married woman like you. I know you might think, ah, my age, I'm not her mate. Another thing that can also bring disrespect is when you look at people's face to weigh their age. They did not give you their birth certificate to hold. The parents did not see you and say, this is my daughter's birth certificate. This is my son's birth certificate. And even if you even know the day they gave birth to them, it's not a yardstick for you to wait for them to greet you. And somebody is greeting you every time, good morning, or good afternoon, good evening. The person is always greeting you, and you not look at it as obligation that this person must, it's an obligation that this person must greet you. Oh, my sister, my auntie, whatever, you're getting it wrong. Somebody that greets you often and often, that moment, you don't know what the person is thinking of. You don't know the situation of that person. You don't know where the person's state of mind is that moment. And the person might just pass you without greeting you. You say, you know, see finish, don't come. He just passed me. He no greets me. Hey, I don't follow and play. No. We should not think that way. By the time we not start thinking that way, we might just see the person and be looking at the person somehow. And the person might notice that, oh, this woman is waiting. I'm the one always greeting her. And she is not even greeting me, or she now find out that you are not angry that she's not greeting. She might even stop greeting you. She might even stop respecting you. So we don't look down on people. When you find out that people always greet you, or somebody greets you, or the person is just in a haste, he might not even see you to even greet you. But what you do first is your duty to call the person, oh, good morning, good morning. Even our last born, anytime I call him on phone, what I do is, how far, good morning. Then he will not greet me, good morning, mama, good morning, return. Mama, I greet you. Mama, hello. Like that. But by the time I just call, hello, how far were you doing? You find out the person, every time calling the person, no respect, do. And you find out the person too will not say, I bet me carry while they go. From there, they'll start disrespecting you. So we should respect people for people to respect us as well. It's not by force. So. And another thing I want to chip in here in this video today is, what I want to say is very bad, my sisters. When somebody greets you, a married woman like you, or even if it's a lady, even if it's not married, because somebody might be a lady, is yet unmarried because of some delay and all that. It does not mean somebody who just greets you, what you will not say is do. Do. Even the children you gave birth to, my own kids, when they greet me, mommy, good morning. Oh, good morning, how are you? Then their response will be fine, thank you. How was your night? How was your day? I'm fine. If I can greet my own child first. Sometimes when he forgot to greet me, when I wake him up, anytime he forgot to greet me, I'll tell him, bros, good morning. You'll see that he will not be shocked and say, good morning, mommy. So what is wrong greeting people? Greeting people first. Good morning, what does it take away from you? When you look at it, that is so big, you find out that pride have tripped him. And you see a proud woman don't even know how to tell somebody good morning first. That word is not right at all. Good morning, though. Good morning. Another one is even good morning. Bele. Oh, my Bele at the family. Bele is not response. You can take Bele to your child. You can respond Bele to your own daughter. But I don't do it anyway. Even to my kids, I don't tell them, do what you didn't know. It's used to me anyway. Good morning, good morning. Huh? So we should not force people to respect us. We should respect people. One good turn deserves another. Even sometimes people might just be walking on their own. They might not even see you. I believe you earn respect when you call them. Good morning, oh. They will not say good morning, man. You just bring it to their remembrance for them to greet you, or maybe they forgot. Somebody can just see you because what the person is going through. We just say, see you. You say, you never sabi greet. That moment, you don't know the state of mind of that person. Those things can make people to disrespect you. So respect, we don't force it. We don't force it. We earn respect. You earn respect by respecting others. You earn respect by talking to people well. If you are a grandmother, you are matured, you think you are old, don't weigh people with their face. Don't look at people's face and say, this is not gonna be small picking now. No, we don't do that. As a matured person, you greet people and they greet you in return. When they find out that you always greet them, you see people greeting you, respecting you, and the way we talk matters a lot. We don't have to carry ourselves too big for people to respect us. No. You see somebody say, don't see me finish. Nobody they see anybody finish. If you do where people will respect you, if you carry yourself where people will respect you. So we should put ourselves in that place where people will respect us, and we should learn to respect people. Very important, very important. Don't look at people like this one is my younger sister's age mate. Even if it's your younger sister, won't you respect your younger sister? Even if it's your younger sister, won't you respect your younger sister? And she will respect you as well. Even parents, like my mother, when I call her good morning, or in her language. She greets me well as well. Sometimes she calls me and say, how you doing? I want to say, ah, mama, good morning. That's it. That's it. We should not be forcing people to respect us. And respect people, everybody wants respect. As I said earlier. So let's keep respecting people. It's reciprocal. It's reciprocal. As a married woman, you respect your husband, he respects you in return. Husband respects your wife respects you in return. Harsh words also bring disrespect. We should not be using harsh words on people, forcing people to do something. It's not right. So I want to end this video. Yeah, I believe this video will help someone. So I've been seeing it around. How many people have been complaining? You just, why you know, I beg me they go if you greet and say bele. Why you not greet this one? I beg me they go if you greet and say do. So we should respect people, greet people well. And besides, we are no longer in the village. We are still in the Western world. We see even the white people. Good morning, hi, hello. We should not be taking greeting as something that is too big. The word you will say bele is the mouth you will use to say bele. That same tongue, that same minute, you say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It will help us, and I believe this video will help someone. Thank you for watching. Keep coming, more things, and God bless you for watching. Thank you very much. Please don't fail to keep supporting this channel. Like, share the video. God bless you. God bless you. Bye-bye.